So ayun, good day mga katribo. It's another day, another vlog, another content na naman. Ito kami, may bagong adventures na pinuntahan. So etong lugar na to is napakahirap yung daan pero maganda yung area. Dito lang din sa amin sa Pinamalayan, sa Barangay Ranso. Seawall siya at napaganda yung tanawin dun. So napagkasunduan nga namin na puntahan yung Parola kung kakayanin ba namin akyatin. So stay tuned guys. So hindi ko na nga pala pinahaba yung video masyado kasi napakahaba talaga ng video kaya hindi kaya ng memory. Yun, what's up mga katribo? Aming narating ang dulo ng south ng Pinamalayan, ang Barangay Ranso. Kami nyo naman yan o. Napakaganda ng dagat. Yung lugar dito, laking bato. Yun, so what's up mga katribo? Another day, another content na naman kami. So dito kami ngayon sa Barangay Ranso. Inakyat namin yung papuntang Parola. Grabe yung taas. Grabe. Kasama ko yung aking bayaw na si Ruben. Okay, stay tuned mga guys. Peace out. Hanap kami ng daan. Aray ko. Guys, an hour bago namin narating ang Parola ng dulo ng Pinamalayan. Grabe, ang hirap ng daan, napakasukal. Kaya inabot din kami ng oras bago marating to. Sa first time na narating ko to. First time in my life. Peace out.
Miss beautiful, you're one of a kind, you're so wonderful. I find you very much desirable. I wonder if you are available to be loved, to give love, be in love to somebody. Take my love and no doubt I'll be happy. Feel the fire, I'm a lover. My flaming love is what I offer. Let's go deeper, lift me higher. Let's fall in love with each other. Make me say hey yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. You're beautiful in a red dress, and you're the one that I can't resist. You set my heart on fire. I will never lie to you, girl. I wanna let you know there. I will give it all to you. Hey, feel the fire, I'm a lover. My flaming love is what I offer. Let's go deeper, lift me higher. Let's fall in love, do each other, make me say hey.